It has been a long and wonderful day in the slumber forest. The sun is shining and everything is peaceful, calm, and quiet. Bear is happy too. He's been at Grandma and Grandpa Bear's house all day, painting them a lovely picture. Grandma and Grandpa Bear are his favorite people in the entire forest. After his parents, of course. And he loves to visit them, especially since they live close enough for him to walk there by himself. But now, as the sun begins to set, it's time for Bear to go home. Bear likes sunsets. He likes how the orange sun glimmers and glows and makes everything look so warm and magical. I think the sun sets like this, so we look forward to seeing it again in the morning, he tells Grandma. Then he calls up into the sky. Sleep tight, lovely sun. I'll see you tomorrow. And a few moments later, with one last glimmering glow, the sun sinks beneath the trees. Bear rolls up his picture and picks up his new coloring pencils, placing them one by one in his pencil case. Grandma and Grandpa gave them as a present today, and he is very happy with them. Uh-oh. But where did the eraser go? Bear wonders. Ah, there it is. He puts it in his pencil case and then puts everything carefully in his backpack. Now that the sun has set, Bear knows what comes next. Mr. Cuckoo, their neighbor, always calls 6 times, and on the very last call, Grandma and Grandpa always cover Bear with kisses and give him a delicious treat for the way home.